Hi, and welcome to Quiltmas Day. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. My Missouri Star box opening and honest reaction is at the end of the video, so stick around to find out what I really think. And now, on with the show. I love museums. They are my most favorite places on earth. And in most any kind of museum, I love to sit and people watch and be in the space. I love contemporary art and design, and I've had this project in mind for a long time, and I'm really excited to share it with you. The idea is this. I take one of my favorite artists and use their color palettes and their design elements to make a mini quilt. This is not an attempt to recreate any artist's work or imitate their work in any way. This is, can I take an artist's color palette and design elements and make something that is absolutely recognizable as a tribute to that artist? The process is simple. I chose the color palette, my interpretation of my favorite artist's color palette, and I made a mini quilt with a nod to the artist's design themes and elements. And the game is simply see if you can guess the artist from the design elements and the color palette before the reveal. It's that simple, guys, and it's just for fun. I've thrown a few fun facts in the mix just to make it interesting and give you a little help. Also, maybe we'll learn something. The video is of me working through the process, and it's set to music that I find enjoyable. Feel free to mute and just watch along as I speed sew a mini quilt. I hope you enjoy it, and come back to see which artist I choose next. Missouri Star Holiday Advent Day 1. Snugly Sweater Pack Charm Pack. It's a charm pack of cute, bright, kind of garish, but super fun Christmas fabric. And it snows. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, God. Be right back. It's still snowing. Alright, you guys know how I feel about mystery boxes. I'm happy enough with the charm pack. I wouldn't necessarily choose Christmas fabric, but it's a Christmas box. So, charm pack, good enough. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And let me know in the comments below, if you had a countdown box, would you open it day by day? Or do you open it day by day? Or do you rip right in and open it all at once? I want to know. I'm dying to know. While you're down there, hit the buttons, like, subscribe, share. And thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.